How to grow a Eucalyptus silver drop plant. Eucalyptus silver drop shrubby plants are hardy perennial plants with teardrop-shaped leaves. The leaves are green with a slight dusty appearance that makes the leaves look silvery. The leaves of Eucalyptus silver drop, like those of other eucalyptus varieties, contain highly fragranced oil that is used for aromatherapy and other medicinal uses. Eucalyptus silver drop plants are considerably smaller than the large trees of the other eucalyptus varieties, and most home gardeners grow them easily. Things you will need: Eucalyptus silver drop seedlings, compost, wood chip mulch. Prepare the soil in your garden bed so that it is favorable to the Eucalyptus silver drop plant. Eucalyptus silver drop prefers rich soil. If your soil is clay-like or sandy, mix humus compost into the existing soil to improve its quality. Use a hoe or spade to break up existing soil, and pour the compost into the loosened soil mix with a strong rake or hoe. Dig a hole for the Eucalyptus silver drop plant. Silver drops have shallow root systems, so dig your hole to a depth that is equal to the height of the temporary container your silver drop seedling is in. Remove the eucalyptus seedling from its container, and use your hands to gently work the soil out of the root ball. Place the Eucalyptus silver drop's root ball into the prepared hole. Gently fan its roots out so they radiate outward rather than downward. Brush the soil back into the hole, covering the roots with the soil. Tamp the soil down lightly with your hands. Cover the soil above the roots with mulch made from wood chips or wood shavings. Mulch insulates the plant's roots and helps the soil retain moisture. Make your pile of mulch 3 to 4 inches deep. Water the silver drop eucalyptus plant immediately to help it settle into its new home. Thereafter, water the eucalyptus plant infrequently but deeply. Eucalyptus plants are woody and hardy, and require little water in order to thrive. Water once every week or two. If you notice droopy leaves during the summer, increase the frequency. Fertilize with an all-purpose fertilizer according to the directions on the fertilizer's package. Prune dead or sickly wood during the spring, as needed. The plant's branches grow at irregular lengths, with branches sticking out at various lengths and heights. This is part of the plant's beauty, and most gardeners prefer to leave them to grow naturally.